Hey everyone, Gil here with graymanprepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about paper towels and getting them in stock and why you want to get them. Now, so I know some people says, well, we just use the cloth towels around the kitchen to clean stuff up, and that way we're not wasting paper and stuff. That's good. However, what happens in a SHTF or Tawaki situation when you don't have a lot of water? You don't have the water to wash those cloth towels. That's where having paper towels comes in handy. You will have them be able to clean up the messes and stuff without dirtying your cloth towels and have them laying around stinking and rotting because you don't have the water to wash them. The other thing about paper towels and napkins, is that they last forever. They don't have an expiration date on when you can use the paper towel. So get some in stock for those emergencies.